The incident, more than a century ago, has been dubbed a sad chapter in the history of subjugation and inhumanity. The faces had been scientifically reconstructed from their skeletal remains. UCT says the bringing in of their bodies might have crossed the ethical prescripts. They were used for research by medical students at the university.
As an institution, UCT did not hesitate to admit to this wrongdoing and to apologize for it. So we committed ourselves to find a way to affirm the dignity of these people and to restore their remains to their descendants. So we determined that 8 of the remains, that was 4 men, 4 women and 2 children, came from the farm Crestofie outside Sutherland in the Northern Cape.
There were 4 men and 4 women, with the 9th not identified, and might have died between 1875 and 1890. Clearly identified were the skeletons of Cornelius Abraham and Klaas Stuurman.
No longer were we in the dark. No longer were we seeking and asking questions amongst one another that don't necessarily each of us have the answer to. That no longer we had to look each other in the eye and not know where we are coming from.
As this Sunday are conducted in collaboration with the Western and Northern Cape provincial governments and the Heritage Resource Agency. A garden of remembrance called Sutherland 9 has been opened close to the Faculty of Health Sciences at UCT.
The repatriation and reburial of the remains of those who suffered from the injustices of research institutions remains part of government's program to restore the human dignity and historic injustice of our people who suffered inhumanity for the purposes of scientific research. We are also here to undertake a crucial step towards the restoration of the San and Khoi people's dignity.
The faculty has also removed the names of those responsible who had been rewarded with rooms and corridors named after them, to be replaced with Khoi and San names and expressions. Mlamli Maneli, SABC News, Cape Town.